Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we're going to be twisting on a short natural hair. So the first thing you're going to do is to put your hair in sections depending on how big you want your twist to be. And since I'm just showing you how to twist your hair, I'm just going to bring out a little section of my hair like so. So when I'm done bringing out a section of my hair, I'm just going to comb it out to get rid of all the tangles that will disturb my twisting. And then when I'm done, I'll just part that section into two like so, and I'm just going to twist them up. To twist your hair, what you actually do is you separate the hair, the section you brought out, separate it into two. Then what you're going to do is you take one section and put it under the other one, cross them tightly, not so tight, so that your twist will be neat. Then you cross it over the other one. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I mean, then you keep crossing it and make sure you keep making it tight like this. Should you understand what I'm saying? You cross it again, tighten it, cross it again, tighten it, cross it again. So you keep crossing it and making it tight so that when you're done, it doesn't appear loose and loose. So this is how you keep twisting it till you get to the tip. Ignore my cutting. I just want to show you how to twist out your natural hair. And you know, we have different reasons to twist out our natural hair. When we're about to wash our hair, we need our hair to be twisted. Then when you get to the end, you're just going to like so. So this is how to twist out your natural hair and make sure it's tight. So this is the shortest video I've ever shot. I don't have much to say. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and give me a thumbs up. But before we leave, let me do one more in case you don't understand the one I just did. So I said firstly, you are going to cut out the section of hair that you need. Yeah, cut out the section of hair that you need. Like so. So when you've cut it out, you're going to use your comb and comb it out so that you have smooth ends. Comb it out like this. So when you're done, just like I said, you divide your hair. The part you brought, I divide it into two, like so, and then you hold it tightly, like this. Then you cross the other one under. So when you cross it the first time, it looks like this. See? Can you see? You cross it so like this. Yeah. When you're done, you do the same thing, cross it again, and make sure it's quite tight. See that? So again and again and again and again and again, 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 again. And if you're getting to the tip and you feel like it's rough, you can just comb it out like this. Yeah. So you keep twisting it, you go again, 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 again. then you roll like this. Now we're done. So guys, look at those twists. I think I really prefer this one to this one. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. This is the shortest video I've ever made, just like I said. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.